Hello, great viewers. Just a quick one. Senator Orji Uzor Kalu has spoken again, and this time he's pointing fingers directly at Nnamdi Kanu. He said, and I quote, "I want Nnamdi Kanu not to carry arms. It is not my problem that he started doing what he is not supposed to do. We must give judiciary the opportunity to say who is right or wrong."
I came to see Nnamdi Kanu's mother and father, and all of you were aware. I spoke to them, and I spoke to President Muhammad Buhari. He's alive. And he directed he should be given the court that his lawyers should not oppose bail. And I went to see Nnamdi. And I saw him, spoke to him immediately, spoke to his brothers, fine boy, all of them. And the unfortunate things happened. And it was not my problem that he started doing what he's not supposed to. I warned him. I said, once you get this bail, don't carry arms. Don't sew uniform. Don't do all this. You are second in command, can do anything, carry your flag and shout. And that is the truth. I'm saying it publicly, so it can be on record. So the court gave him bail, and the unfortunate thing happened. When he came back from Kenya, I was the first person that saw him in DSS. True or false? People have the record, and it's true. And his lawyer said, why should I go there? I'm going to tell him to surrender their mandate. I mean, the country is not built that way. The nationality of a country should be respected. I still believe that President Tinubu will surprise people. I have discussed this matter with him, and I'm sure that he's also waiting to see. We must give the judiciary opportunity to say who is right and wrong. Our judiciary are courageous enough to tell us who is right and wrong.
You look at comments like this, you wonder why this comment is necessary now. You see, I don't know why he should make that comment. If we should allow judiciary to do that, then allow judiciary keep quiet. Why will you? Are they trying to solidify what Tinubu will do? I don't know. What is the intention of this comment? And let me tell you, this comment has caused serious reactions across Nigeria, especially among the Igbo people. Some say Orji Uzor Kalu is betraying his own brother in a time of need, and that is what it looks like. Others said he's just trying to stay neutral and respect the law. I wonder if he was asked. Okay, if he was asked. But either way, his words have power. And you know, if he talks tough, and he could be respected, his words have power. And people are not keeping quiet. Now, let's talk about Nnamdi Kanu's current situation. Of course, like we told you yesterday, he's in custody. But yesterday's trial was moved inside the DSS headquarters, Abuja. Not a court, not a public space. A secret room where journalists, the public, and even lawyers are blocked the way it is. And people are asking, is this justice or a silent punishment? So many people are asking questions from social media to street corners. Nigerians are talking. Some say, if they can do this to Nnamdi Kanu, then who are you? They can do it to anybody. Now, there is the question other people are asking too. Why are the terrorists walking free while Nnamdi Kanu is treated like an enemy of the state? The terrorists are walking free, but Nnamdi Kanu is considered an enemy of the state. Now, let's hear from Omoyele Sowore, a man not afraid to speak. And as usual, Sowore is calling for Nnamdi Kanu's release. He says this is not justice. This is tyranny. Sowore believes Kanu is not being punished for violence, but for his voice, for his ideas. Some people are even saying Kanu's recent incarceration, why Tinubu has not released him. Tinubu is almost 2 years in power, was because of NSAS. And Kanu has been saying, and we know that even without Kanu's voice, NSAS will be going the way it's going. The destruction in NSAS was not just in Lagos. If you go to Anambra, everywhere. So Sowore is asking, why is the man in prison when others who destroy the country are walking free? They walk free. So to Sowore, the issue is not about Kanu. It's about justice in Nigeria. It's about government's treats, how government treats voice of protest. And it's about protecting the rights of Nigeria before it's too late. So now, whether you support IPOB or not, whether you like Nnamdi Kanu or not, we must all agree on one thing. Every Nigerian deserves justice. And let justice be done. And let the people see it. This voiceover, this recording is for peace and truth. We reject violence. We speak only for justice, for freedom, and for the right of every person to be heard. This is just a short broadcast, like I told you. So you wonder why Orji Uzor Kalu will, make some that kind of statement at this point in time. For me, I don't think it's wise. Why must it be Igbos at times like this? Maybe an Igbo man is facing trial or a problem. Maybe to validate what they will do to him, it will be an Igbo man that will come and speak. My friend, my schoolmate, his current guy name is called Igbo Nebu Igbo. You know what it means? Igbo Nebu Igbo. That is his current guy name, or whatever you call it. Nickname. Okay, nickname. You see the situation the situation in Southeast. Now, let's assume you don't even like Nnamdi Kanu. But Nnamdi Kanu's incarceration has brought about the situation in Southeast presently. It brought about the sit-at-home. And no one will come here to tell me the sit-at-home is sweet. No, it's not sweet. It's not pleasant. It's hurting. And Nnamdi Kanu's detention brought about that. And according to the people who ordered the sit-at-home, the moment he's released, the sit-at-home will automatically end. They might not have to announce it. Nnamdi Kanu is out. People knows that Monday. And the government has not been able to totally curb or remove or stop the sit-at-home. So if you don't like Nnamdi Kanu, let's assume I don't like or you don't like Nnamdi Kanu. But for the sake of calming the situation in Southeast, and can you imagine what an Igbo elder is saying? May God help us. These guys are something else. You understand what I mean? Let's assume you don't like him. But for the sake of the region, the security of the region, for the sake of what his detention has brought. And if you look at Nnamdi Kanu's trial, you see how it seems. Somehow, some people say it's a political trial. If I were to suggest to them, I seek an out-of-court settlement. Yes. When you do certain things, you also consider the impact on a region. We in the Southeast have suffered so much because of this. Our viewers, what do you think? Add your comment on the comment section. Please share this video widely as you see it after watching. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. I am Azuka Oji. I say bye-bye for now.